How to find a personal injury lawyer near me in New York. Welcome back to the channel. If you have recently suffered an injury due to someone else's negligence, you might be wondering, how do I find the right personal injury lawyer near me in New York? Whether it is a car accident, slip and fall, or workplace injury, hiring the right attorney can make a huge difference in your case. Today, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know about finding the perfect personal injury lawyer in New York. By the end of this video, you will be able ready to make an informed decision that could greatly impact the outcomes of your case. Before we dive in, let me ask you, did you know that choosing the wrong lawyer could cost you tens of thousands of dollars? In fact, some studies show that personal injuries victims with an attorney get higher settlement than those without. So stick with me until the end and you will know exactly how to avoid costly mistake and find a lawyer who is perfect for your case. First is, what is a personal injury lawyer? Let's start with the basic. What exactly is a personal injury lawyer? In simple terms, a personal injury lawyer is someone who is specialized in helping people who have been injured due to the negligence or one wrongdoing of others. These lawyers handle cases like car accident, medical malpractice, product liability, slip and falls, and more. They advocate for the injuries party, seeking compensation for things like medical bills, lost wage, pain and suffering, and other related damage. So, when you are looking for a lawyer, you want someone with a solid track record in these areas. And second, why do you need a personal injury lawyer? Now, why do you need a personal injury lawyer in the first place? After all, could not you handle the case on your own? Well, it is true that you can technically file a personal injury claim without a lawyer. It is a risky move. Here is why. First is complexity of the law. Personal injury cases are often complex and involve law that are not easy to understand. A lawyer help you navigate this complexity. And second is negotiating with insurance companies. Insurance companies are known for offering low settlements. A skilled lawyer knows how to negotiate for a fair settlement. And third is maximizing compensation. With an attorney on your side, you are more likely to receive a larger settlement or award because they know how to prove the full extent of your damage. And third is what to look for in a personal injury lawyer. Alright, so what should you look for when choosing a personal injury lawyer in New York? Let's break it down. First is experience in personal injury case. You need someone with experience handling case like yours. Ask if they have worked on car accident, slip and falls, or whatever your specific case is. And second is track record of success. You want a lawyer who has a history of winning case and securing favorable settlement or verdicts. And third is a specialization. Personal injury lawyer is a specialized field. Look for a lawyer who focus primarily on personal injury case rather than someone who dabbles in multiple area of law. And fourth is a strong reputation. Look for a lawyer who is well regarded in the legal community. Online reviews, testimonials, and referrals from trusted sources can help. Fifth is communication skill. You need a lawyer who listens to you, answers your question clearly, and keep you informed throughout the process. And fourth is where to find personal injury lawyer near you in New York. So now let's get to main question. How do you find a personal injury lawyer near you in New York? Here are several ways to start your search. First is online directories and legal websites. Websites like Avo, Martindale, Hubbles, and Justia are great a starting point. These directories allow you to filter by location and practice area. You can also read, review, and see rating from other clients. And second is referrals. Ask your friends, family, or cook workers if they know of any good personal injury lawyers. Personal recommendation can be incredible valuable. And third is a state bar association. The New York State Bar Association has a lawyer referral service that can help you find a certified attorney in your area. You can visit their website or call their referral service for recommendation. And fourth is Google search. Simply searching personal injury lawyer near me in New York on Google can give you a list of local attorneys. Be sure to check their review and website to get a sense of their expertise and reputation. Once you have a list of personal injury lawyers, how do you narrow it down? Here is what you should do. First is consultation. Most personal injury lawyers offer free consultation. This is your chance to meet them, ask questions, and see if they are a good fit for your case. Don't hesitate to ask about their experience with case like yours and what their approach would be. And second is ask about fee. Personal injury lawyers typically work on a contingency fee basis, which means they don't get paid unless you win your case. However, make sure to clarify the percentage that take and if there are any additional fees. And third is trust your instinct. During your consultation, pay attention to how comfortable you feel with the lawyer. Are they empathic? Do they listen to your concern? Trust you gut. And sixth is question to ask during a consultation. Here are some key questions to ask during your initial consultation. First is what experience do you have with case like mine? What is your track record of success in personal injury case? How do you communicate with clients? What is your approach to handling my case? What are your fees and how do you structure payments? Do you offer a free consultation and what is the next step if I hire you? This question will help you determine if the lawyer is the right fit for your case and if you feel comfortable working with them. Well, you are looking for the right lawyer. There are a few red flags to watch out for. Too good to be truly promised. If a lawyer guarantees you a certain outcomes, that is a warning sign. No lawyer can guarantee a specific result. High fee with no explanation. Be cautious of lawyer who does not clearly explain their fees. Make sure their fees are reasonable and transparent. Lack of communication. If the lawyer does not return your calls or emails promptly, that could be a sign that they might not be dedicated to your case. To summarize, finding the right personal injury lawyer near you in New York is crucial for the success of your case. You want someone with experience, a proven track record, and a good reputation. Use online directories, referrals, and the New York State Bar Association to help you in your search. Once you have narrowed down your option, schedule consultation to find the best fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need help finding a personal injury lawyer in New York. Take action today and get the justice you deserve.